Same exact formula, but cut by 1/3. So base times height divided by 3. 1/3 base times height is your pyramid. If you look at example 1, page 697, Travis is making a plaster model of the food guide pyramid for a class presentation. The model is a square pyramid with a base edge of 12 and a height of 15 inches. Find the volume of the plaster needed. The area of the base is a square, so what's the area of a square? Yeah, just the side squared, right? So just base times height. 1/3 the area of the square times the height of the pyramid. He needs 720 cubic inches of plaster to make that particular model, all right? The next formula is a cone. If you look at the middle of page 697, it is identical to a cylinder, just 1/3. Again, just base times height. Because the base of a cone is a circle, it's pi r squared. For the first one, they gave us the base and the height information. So we're going to say pi r squared times my height, which gives us 536.2 cubic inches. For the next one, they did not give us everything that we needed, right? We do have the height. We need the radius. What did they give us?
A degree.
Degree. How do we solve this?
SOHCAHTOA.
SOHCAHTOA. So this is my angle, which means this is my adjacent and this is my opposite. How do I find the adjacent side that I need? What deals with opposite and adjacent?
Tangent.
So the tangent of 48 equals 10 over what I'm solving for. That means I'm going to, in my calculators, do what? 10 divided by the tangent of 48. That is my radius, right? That's my radius. So I square that, pi r squared times the height. And then you can round it at the end. You can actually put all that in. They rounded it in the middle, so they rounded it to 9. But you can round at the end either way. 848.992. If you rounded that up, it would be 849 cubic inches. Pretty straightforward, right? All right, oblique. Oblique is the same way. Just make sure you're using perpendicular height, not the slant height, okay? For this one, pi r squared, they give us the r. They give us the perpendicular height, and you will just plug it in. And this is also cubic inches. All right. The first one, you have a rectangular base, a height of 12. You should have gotten 640 cubic inches. For the next one, you could have used special right triangles or SOHCAHTOA. You would have gotten 603.2 cubic millimeters. And then the last one, they gave you really everything you needed. Pi r squared times height, 1,340.4 cubic feet. All right, this is a special right triangle. This is a 60, 30, 90. So I actually just did this side to be 12 divided by the square root of 3. Because it's a special right triangle. And so that's my r. So 12 square root of 3 squared times pi times 12. This actually works out perfectly. This is 144 over 3 times 12 times pi. And that's what you're going to get. So 6, you can just say pi. They gave you your r, and they gave you your height. So don't let it confuse you just because it looks like it's in the center. It's because it's oblique, and they're just trying to give you your perpendicular height there.